Assalamualaikum. Hi, saya Nik Munira, radiologist from Malaysia. Got to know Alora because I had, I think, almost 20 years of chronic pain. I'm a chronic pain sufferer. Knee joint pain, back pain because of slip disc.
Sama, high five.
Yes. So for the past 5 years ni makin kerap lah, sakit makin teruk. I had to take medication, the strongest painkiller, almost every 3 or 2 days. So susah lah nak kerja. It's difficult. Nak bangun dari kursi sakit, nak bangun dari katil sakit, nak duduk atas sofa dalam kereta pun sakit, nak drive pun sakit. So in the end, I was introduced by Dr. Ju. So Alhamdulillah lah, I was a happy user. Then I started open my mouth, sharing with everybody so that everybody can also get the benefits of Alora like what I have felt. Both of us lah, my husband and myself. We gain a lot lah dari Alora. So Alhamdulillah.
Thank you.